A ketogenic diet, or keto diet for short, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has been shown to help some people lose weight. The idea behind the diet is to force the body to burn fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates by drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and increasing fat intake. This can lead to weight loss, as well as improvements in blood sugar control and other health markers. However, it is important to note that the keto diet can be restrictive and may not be suitable for everyone. It is always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet. Starting Keto Made Easy. 21-day keto meal plan. Keto email course. 3 easy weeks to success. Most people who start a keto diet fail because they find the diet to be complex and confusing. It doesn't have to be that way. My no-cook keto meal plan and keto email course makes starting keto stupid simple. Starting a keto diet without any help is possible, but unfortunately, most people who go it alone will fail for one of the following reasons: fatigue from countless hours of research required, stress of meal planning for a brand new way of eating, common mistakes caused by confusing and misleading information that doom so many keto beginners to failure. You can avoid all of these pitfalls while effortlessly starting keto with the no-cook keto meal plan. I understand the frustration and embarrassment of starting a diet and failing through no fault of your own. What users say about no-cook keto. Trust me, I was in the same position as you, and here I am still doing it day 20. There has been a day here where I sort of cheated, but honestly I felt horrible because I overate. Keto food keeps me full, and once you start doing keto, your old way of eating will not make you feel good. I wish I had started sooner.
Please see a link on description. Please click to order.